Now we'll move to the second chapter, knowing all about emails. Email means electronic mail. It is the simplest way of writing a letter. It can reach destination address in fraction of seconds. It consists of two parts, header and a body. Header contains the name and address of the recipient. Body contains the message. It may be formal or not. You can add attachments to the mail also. Advantages of email. The cost of email is nominal. The messages are sent instantly within fraction of seconds. Emails never get lost and does not reach wrong destination. It can attach pictures, videos, sounds. We can read, print, forward, reply or delete the received mails. Sending and receiving mails. By clicking on send option, the mail is sent to the specified email address. By default, Gmail will suggest you some addresses that matches the letters. These sent mails are in the sent folder, which will be copied automatically as you send the mail. Inbox. The received mails are in this folder. Click on Inbox from the toolbox to get the list of received emails. Let us see the Gmail toolbar in more detail. First option, Archive. This sends the selected mails to All Mails folder. It is like hiding a mail. If you don't want it to appear in the inbox, you can click or select the mail and click on Archive. It takes away from the inbox. If you want to get it back again, then you have to go to All Mails option in the menu and select the mails which you want to get back in the inbox and say send back to inbox. Next, report spam. So if you want to mark some of the mails as spam or unwanted, then you can select those mails and you can say send to spam. It will be sent to spam folder. Next, delete option. This deletes the selected mails and sends to the trash folder. It is like a recycle bin. So the mails which you have deleted will be in this folder for 30 days after the deletion. If you want to retrieve back, then you have to go to the trash folder and say send it back to inbox. Otherwise, it will be lost after 30 days. Next, mark as read. So marks the email as read. Next, snooze. Snoozes the email alerts on a specified day or certain duration. If you don't want to receive the emails for certain time or for certain days, then you can select this option and mark in it. Next, add to task. So this will take you to a separate application called task, which will send alerts on particular date and time if you are having some schedule on that day. Next option, move to. When you get mails, they are of different categories, social, official or your personal. So you may make folders of these names and move the mails to those particular folders. Next, label. Labels mark the desired labels on the emails. You want to know immediately what kind of mail it is when you see it. Then you can use this option. Then more. This shows other options like mark as read, mark as unimportant, etc. Let us go into more detail about Gmail main menu. In the main menu, you have an option called Compose. So this will open the Compose window that helps you to write new mail. We'll go into more detail in the next slide. Inbox. This opens the received mail list. Starred shows only starred emails. Snoozed shows history of snooze time and date. Important shows mails which are important, which you have marked as important. Sent shows the list of sent mails. Then drafts. If you have designed a draft, now if you want to send some letter to the office, so you have a letterhead, you have from, which is already built, and you can save it as draft. You can use that draft whenever you want it to send mail again and again. So drafts are like templates you can create and you can save them. Nextly, Meet option. This will help you to take you to Google Meet. Now the compose window will go into more detail. So when you click on compose option, you get this window. You can send the mail to many people at the same time. 2 is the main person to whom you are sending. Then CC are the carbon copies. That is, copies of the same mail are sent to many people. You can add many mail IDs there. Blank carbon copy. Now here the speciality or the difference between CC and BCC is that carbon copy means it is going to make a copy and say that this copy has been sent to so many addresses. It will show the addresses also. But blank carbon copy will not show the other email IDs to which this mail has been sent. Then subject. This is important because you need to know what kind of mail it is. You need to fill this detail. Then at the bottom you can see the option send. So this will send the email. Then nextly, format option. So the formatting toolbar appears on the click of this button. Then add attachment. Now you already have used this option. Attachment, you can add sounds, videos, PDF files, documents, presentations. So all kinds of file you can attach and send along with the email. But it has certain limitations. You can't send a movie. Okay. Next, link to web page. So now you can send or link your mails to some web page. You can directly open from that mail. The person whom you have sent can open the link from there. Nextly, insert emojis. Nextly is from the Google Drive. So in the Google itself, if you have some files, you can attach those files using Google Drive. Then you have pictures. You can use pictures as the background in your email and design a mail, and you can write mail. If you want, you can design greeting also for your friend. Nextly is the mark as if you want to secure your email, then you can use that option. That is, you have that option as turn confidential mode. That is, make it confidential. Nextly, you can add your signatures there. So signature should be ready there already before you send the mail. Nextly, searching mails. So if you want to search mails from your inbox, you can use this option and this box appears. You can go with different criteria of search. Search from this date to this date, one option. Search on subject. If you are searching on subject like English, if you want to search. If you want to search computer science on that, so you can write that subject. Then has these words, does not have these words, size of the file, then date within. So you can use the calendar to search. Then search from all mails. You can use all mails also. Or it has attachment, does not include chats, and you can search the mails. That's all for today, children. Thank you.